Hi, my name is Mayank and I'm a graphic designer. I completed the Communicate with Confidence course with Craig. I have a wonderful experience to share with you all. Prior to this, if you'd ask me how I met Craig, I would say I was on my way back from work. I took a bus from Bandra station and a guy came and sat next to me. That was Craig. We had a great conversation and we've been friends ever since. But after completing the course, if you'd ask me how I met Craig, I would say it was 3 years ago. I was on my way back from work. I took a bus from Bandra station. I was reading my pocket Bible out of habit. And suddenly there's this profound voice out of nowhere that goes, the Gospel of John. And I'm wondering, bhai, ये announcement कहाँ से हो रहा है? Then I turned to my right. There was this guy with a bright smile. That was Craig. We had a great conversation and we've been friends ever since. If you are able to notice any difference in the way I narrated the same incident, the credit goes to Craig. Thank you, Craig, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to invest in myself.